Hello, hello. Good morning, guys. Today it's 13 March and Thursday, 9 o'clock and 8. Soon they make again, and it's 9. They make again this betray. And they make, they try to enchant them right now. I hear them, I feel them, the people. They make betray before 5 minutes. They make again flash 1 second before, and they make tricks 2 seconds before, and before with flash to what the other says to make betray with fate. And I hear them, and they say that they can make the time for they can make the time for this is not possible. They make a fake. They want to make mass betray again because of one fake fake time fake wish. Because this is not possible, you can make only time back. You can make only the time back. You cannot make the time forward. This is not possible. This is for idiots. This is the dumpy cool what they make, what they have. This is not possible. This they can't go. You can read the fate, and for years after this, then you must be very idiot. You must be very dumb. It's not possible. They make betray. I hear them 5 minutes right now. They make after for one. They they use my morning. They abuse. They abuse my morning IQ boost, intelligence boost. My morning. They abuse this. They give me. They speak. They say what to me, and I think I thought was only one sentences, and they take this and they try to make this, and this doesn't go. It doesn't go, and they try to make must betray. They make 10 stacks, 15 stacks of must betray again. Uh, and the other guys from the other adults, the other guys, they hear this. They say son of a bitch to this guy. He was a son of a bitch liar. You're a must betrayer again. Oh, at the morning again, before the day, they say they stop. The night they stop. Not the day. At the night they sleep. They stop. And in the morning they start again with this shit. And this is betray. I They say I look like this animal. I I can't look like this animal. I can't. This this forward wish doesn't exist. This can't go. They make betray with these videos and show you different meanings with strong believings, different sentences, and they counter all before 2 seconds with shit's crap, shit's crap fake. It doesn't exist. Shit crap for 2 seconds, 1 second, and make only a wish of lying and believing with China or by them. All these shits and craps.